IT Act 2000. The Information Technology Act 2000 is an act of the Indian Parliament notified on 17 October 2000. It is the primary law in India dealing with cybercrime and electronic commerce. So dear student, IT Act 2000 notified by Indian Parliament on 17 October 2000. This is the primary law in India dealing with cybercrime and electronic commerce. Privacy law. Privacy law refers to the laws that deal with the regulation, storing, and using of personally identifiable information, personal healthcare information, and financial information of individuals, which can be collected by governments, public or private organizations, or other individuals. So, dear students, privacy law refers to the laws that deal with the regulation, storing, and using of personally identifiable information, personal healthcare information, and financial information of individual, which can be collected by governments, public or private organization, or other individuals. Cyber law is the law that applies to the internet and internet related technologies. These are the laws that every internet user must follow. What is cybercrime? The crime that involves a computer and network is termed as cybercrime. For example, credit card fraud, hacking a website, illegal money transfer, etc. What is hacker? A hacker is a person who finds and exploits the weakness in computer system and networks to gain access. Hackers are usually skilled computer programmers with knowledge of computer security. Hackers are classified according to the intent of their actions. What is hacking? Hacking is the gaining of unauthorized access to data in a system or computer. What is phishing? Phishing is the practice of attempting to acquire sensitive information over the internet by means of deception. Cookies. Cookies are the message that web server pass to your web browser. The purpose of cookie is to help the website keep track of your visits and activities. www. The full form of www is World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a collection of websites or web pages stored in web servers and connected to local computers through the internet. These websites contain text, pages, digital images, audio, video, etc. User can access the content of these sites from any part of the world over the internet using their devices such as computers, laptops, cell phone, etc. What is Web 2.0? Web 2.0 refers to the newly added features in internet which makes web more interactive to its user. For example, social networking, blogs, video conferencing, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.